It's nice to know that South Africans still love traditional music. I think the last time a traditional musician won so many awards at the Summer Awards was Shui Nomtekane, right? That was the last time traditional music really trended in South Africa. For the past 5 years to 10 years, it's been Amapiano, it's been hip hop, but at least Thandiswa Mazwai is representing because she has won 4 Summer Awards: Best Engineered Album, Best Produced Album, Best African Adult Contemporary Album, and the most important award of them all, Female Artist of the Year. Ziggy Mazwai's sister is doing the most. And this shows a shift within South Africa, right? Because most of the time, I think we look towards Western kind of music or Western influence for us to feel legitimized. As a matter of fact, many artists throughout the years, throughout the decades, have been on this, I think, dream of making it in South Africa and then becoming an international act. Going to the USA, UK, Europe was the dream for most artists. But if we actually show appreciation for our artists right here in South Africa, they wouldn't want to go outside and perform outside countries for them to be noticed. Remember, even Makadzi hadn't received any awards in South Africa. She hadn't gotten any Summer Awards, any Metro FM Awards, any awards in South Africa until she won a BET in the United States. Imagine, BET, the US, had to appreciate her first for us then to give her an award after that, which was not right. It was very controversial and rightfully so. Our artists, we need to appreciate them while they are in South Africa, and they will stay in South Africa because they will be making a lot of money locally. They won't even have to perform outside South Africa. You'll find that we'll end up having a lineup of many artists in South Africa in December, and they won't even have to go outside. We'll be having a lot of artists locally, guys. They won't have to go outside. So that's the main thing that I want. And Thandiswa Mazwai is really representing, even though yeah, she's an international act, but she's getting a lot of love in South Africa, and eventually she won't have to perform outside. She will even have to have a choice whether to perform in Europe and South Africa. And if there's money in South Africa, obviously she'll stay home. So yeah.